This video 2 on my Learning to Drive series.
I'm trying to get enough subscribers to drive a Corvette C8, along with other cool things. If you don't know, check out my first video in this series.
The mission my dad gave me this week is carving a wood unicorn with my grandpa.
If I do good, I get to drive this truck for the very first time next week.
This is also the same unicorn that I'm going to be jumping with my truck whenever I get to 500 subscribers.
Step 1. Ask my grandpa to help carve a unicorn. My grandpa is one of the best wood carvers in the world.
Hopefully, he'll help me make this unicorn. I really need his help.
Step 2. Find a worthy unicorn. So, we're jumping this unicorn with this truck. It's gotta be perfect.
Where you can find me, I'll be unwinding.
Step 3. Find wood for the unicorn.
What are we gonna use for this thing?
Because there's the thickness. Now, once we turn it over, this has to be wider than this, and it don't work. I need to go as straight and flat, because that's straight across. That right in through there, that's straight across to there. 18 and 3/8. 18 and 18 and 5/8. So you go 18 and 5/8. There's right there is 18, 18 and a half, 18 and 5/8 right there. So that's where I will cut that.
Stand! Step 3.5. Glue the wood together.
We didn't have honky enough wood, so we had to glue a couple pieces together.
Hard shit right there.
Grandpa.
I just throw it away. And now you just go.
Oh, Jesus!
It's okay.
It sucks.
Everything works out in its own ways. Look at that glue. There's so much glue.
Huh?
So much more glue than we had. I held it
And
for you.
okay, let that drop down.
Hooray!
Okay, now hold the whole thing. Hold it right there. I can. Even it up. Now, we wait. Okay.
Step 4. Draw the stencil on the wood and rough it out. Now we get to start making this magnificent mythical beast.
Down in the islands, if you really wanna know where you can find me, I'll be unwinding. Down in the islands, you should lose track of your timing. Grab a drink beside me. Down in the islands, down in the islands.
Step 5. Sanding.
I sanded this thing forever, at least 4 hours.
On emprisonne avec une bague au doigt.
Alright. Step 6. Finishing touches.
Here's where we get to add some ears, eyes, and beautiful hair.
Qui vous abandonne et qui ne reviennent pas.
Action! Wait, are you gonna give a thumbs up? You did it! Final step. Is it worthy? I poured my heart and soul into this unicorn.
I really hope my dad says it's good enough so I get to drive next week.
Okay. Close your eyes.
You have a unicorn
I have a unicorn
that you made.
that I made.
That you're gonna jump with the truck, maybe?
Yeah? Maybe. I will jump. Okay.
All right, let's see this thing. Okay.
Like us?
Yeah. Whoa!
Is it awesome?
That is amazing, Naraya. Holy crap. That is so cool. Okay, you totally get to drive the truck.
Yay!
This week. Good job. You killed it. That is so cool. Okay, can I have it when you're done with the whole video that you're making and everything?
You promise to hug him every day.
I will definitely hug him every day. It's
Okay.
amazing.
Yes.
Good job. You did so
you.
awesome.
Yay.
That is so rad. Nice.
I did it! My dad said it's awesome and I get to drive next week. Booyah!
Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Every subscriber is one step closer to jumping a truck over him. Love you!